Guys, on this video, I decided to share a recap of Queen Modjadji. I have realized that people do not understand the Balobedu language. As a result, they are not interested in watching the show. So if you're interested, then stay tuned to this video. But first, I need to request you guys to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. So, the first episode of the show takes place at the Mutitini settlement, and this is in the 1780s where Mambo Mokgoro rules. And on the first scene, Mambo has to call for rain, and at that time, whoever is ruling is expected to call for rain. So now Mambo as a king is performing his duties of being a king and calling for rain. And while the ceremony was taking place, there are also scenes that show us that Mambo tried calling for rain several times before but failed. And this time, people were desperate, including his sons. He had many sons, and after he failed making rain, his sons were plotting to kill him. But they all failed him because his Sangoma Mphabanti warned him. Mambo believed in Mphabanti the Sangoma because when the same Sangoma warned him about his sons, Mambo went to kill all of his sons, and according to him, he was sacrificing them so that ancestors can give him rain. But even after sacrificing his sons, he still wasn't able to call for rain. His Sangoma came back again and told him that he needed to sleep with his firstborn daughter so that they will give birth to a queen, and that will definitely bring rain for them. King Mambo loved his firstborn daughter, so he refused to sleep with her. And the name of his firstborn daughter was Kiale. So, as I've mentioned before, Mambo loved his daughter, so he didn't want to sleep with her. Instead, he chose to sleep with his lastborn daughter, named Dzungutrini. Dzungutrini refused sleeping with her father at first, but they promised her that she will become a better person if she does this because she will be the mother of a queen. So, convinced by her aunt, Dzungutrini decided to sleep with her father. And to everyone's surprise, even her couldn't bring birth to a queen because his child was also a boy. And that is how the episode ended. It ended with Mambo giving instructions that the boy that was just born must be killed. So we now wait for the second episode on what is it that is going to happen. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about the first episode of Queen Modjadji. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.